Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list because I'd like to begin with blocking the number you've got currently saved. So let's open it. As I said, let's open the contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then choose this three-dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the top, we've got the option Add to Blocklist, so let's simply tap on it. Of course, your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on OK if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information that it has been added to the blacklist successfully. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So entering the blacklist requires entering either the contacts or the recents. It does not really matter because you will have to enter the three-dot icon which are in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Then let's tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works, the previous way of blocking the number. Here you can add the number to the blacklist manually. So let's tap on add the number, and as you can see right now, you can freely enter it. You can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. So here you've got some additional settings. So you can, for example, allow your device to block all numbers which are not saved in your contact list just by tapping on this first switcher, or you can just block the calls from private numbers. Also just by tapping on the switcher, it's up to you. What is more, you can unblock the number right here just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.